You know your factory better than anyone. The noise, the rhythm, the feeling when everything flows, and the frustration when it doesn't. But here's the truth nobody says out loud. You never really know what your machines are doing every minute. Cutting, idle, waiting, or slowly leaking money while no one notices. It's not the big breakdowns that hurt. It's the small stops, the pauses, the slowdowns, the ones nobody writes down. But those small stops, they add up. Minutes become hours. Hours become lost orders. Lost orders become lost margins. And somewhere inside, you already know. If you can't see it, you can't fix it. But you're not in the business of guessing. You're in the business of making. Precision, output, delivery, commitment. So why run your machines on assumptions? Imagine this instead. You walk in each morning and you see exactly which machine is productive, which one is idle, and why. No waiting for reports, no asking 10 people, no excuses, just the truth, live, right in your hands. This is what Autobits gives you. A small device connects to your machines, even the old ones, and starts listening. Every pulse, every cycle, every stop, all captured automatically. No operator dependency, no extra effort. You get a live dashboard right on your mobile or screen. Which machine is running, which one is idle, why it stopped, how efficient your shift is, where losses are happening, and what needs attention right now. No drama, no delay, just clarity. And when you can see clearly, you can act confidently. Factories using Autobits have seen up to 25% more machine output, 20% less sudden breakdowns, faster decisions, smoother shifts, a calmer, more controlled shop floor. Because now you're leading with data, not guesswork. Machine data, operator data, energy data, all in one place. One platform, one truth. Whether your factory is new or decades old, Autobits fits. No big overhaul. Just plug, run, improve. Your machines have been talking this whole time. You just didn't have a way to listen. Now you do. Autobits Machine Monitoring. See your factory. Improve your output. Own your efficiency. Ready to see what's really happening?